Hello guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. I'm so delighted to have you join me. Today we are at the Federal University of Melambongo, and there's so many fantastic opportunities in this university right now that are literally begging you to apply to. So today I'm at the SIGA of the university, and like I said, so many opportunities that are still open. They've not closed yet, and I want you to apply or share the information with someone that might be interested. Don't forget, for you to apply to any universities in Brazil, it has to be strategic. You have to be strategic. You have to at least convert your, majority of them will ask you to convert your CV to Brazilian academic CV, which is the latest. And when you are trying to do the latest, try as much as possible, make it attractive. Don't let it be haphazard. Nonetheless, whatever information you're going to be documenting on your latest CV, also prepared for how to show it. Okay, so don't mention what you cannot provide. If they ask you for the certificate in any, for example, a poster presentation you did, you should be able to provide it, right? So without further ado, let's just go straight into all these courses. So the first one now is the selection process for the second semester in translational arts, and it's going to be open up till the 7th day in the month of August. Okay, so guys, the 8th day in the month of August. So guys, if you're interested, kindly apply. That seems to be today. The second one is communication and innovation. Communication and innovation. If your area is in the communication, then you have up to the end of this month of July to apply. God sparing our lives. So the next one is nursing. A lot of people have been looking for opportunity in nursing, so this is your chance now to apply. Nursing selection notice, master and corporate, masters and doctorate academic. This is the regular nursing program, not special. So this one is going to be on up till the first day in the month of August. Guys, what are you waiting for? Try to apply as quick as possible. If you need any assistance, you need someone that can help you to apply, well, you can try to reach out to me, and let's see how we can talk about it. So the nursing is available at the master's level, and it's also available for the at the doctorate level. So but both of them are going to be closing the same day. They're going to open and close in the same day. I wasn't talking about the numbers of vacancies. For the first one that I mentioned, they are looking for 21 vacancies. The second one, 23. The next one, 15 vacancies. And for the nursing, they are looking for 25 and 25 and 15 for masters, 25 for PhD and 15 for masters. Guys, let me be sincere with you. Nursing is one of the courses that is not so common in Brazil, right? So if you see it, why don't you just give it your best shot? If you have been looking forward to do nursing in Brazil, give it your best shot, and I'm very sure you will be selected. Okay, it is something that you can do yourself. As I've always been saying on this channel, it is something you can actually do yourself. So each time I'm even asking people to reach out to me in case they need someone that can help them to do it. I'm not saying this just to, like, I really want you to reach out to me, but then if you still want to come to me, like if you want me to help you to overhaul everything, I can. But it is also important to let you know that it is something you can do yourself. Okay, so I've seen a lot of people getting opportunities, and they were able to do it themselves. Maybe they just stumble across this the video on this channel or some other channels, and they just apply. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. This one is science and mathematics education, and they're looking for 40 guys. 40 opportunities open. The next one is contemporary education, and 35 opportunity open temporary education. And the next one is public management for the development of the Northeast, but it looks like this one has closed. Oh my god, it has closed. So this has closed since the month of April, and they actually put like 36 vacancy right there. So guys, these are the opportunities that are currently available on the Pernambuco SIGA. Whichever one that aligns with you, try to apply as quick as possible. Again, like I usually say, like I always say, if it is not in your own line, you can share with someone that is interested in studying in Brazil. Let me use this opportunity to reiterate that studying in Brazil, you will need to learn Portuguese. The studies or the academics are not done with English. If you're coming from English speaking country, prepare your mind that you want to learn new language. So open your mind and don't be rigid about it. It is something that is very, very easy. Okay, well, it might not be totally easy, so to say, but what I'm trying to say is that if you put your mind to it, it is something that is achievable, it is surmountable. Okay, so guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. If you are yet to subscribe to this video, why don't you subscribe right now and give it a like, drop a comment, and I will see you in another video. Thank you once again. Ate brevi. Ciao ciao.